Freeway shoppers, are you looking for a single family home in San Jose? I have one for you. Let's take a tour together.
Pick up the pace, roll the dice. Only got one life, we're on our way. We're on our way. This feeling we're chasing, we're never gonna let it go. 'Cause life's for the taking. Come on, let's go. Gotta live in the moment and reach for the golden sun. 'Cause life's what we make it. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go.
Thank you so much for taking a tour with us today for this beautiful home. Look at the yard. It's just stunning, peaceful. If you have any questions regarding this property or any other property, or you want to take a private tour, reach out to me at the number below. Thank you, and I'll see you guys over the weekend.